Hey, I'm Ryan, and in today's video I'll be going over some things that I personally have implemented and need to start implementing in my routine. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing I wanted to talk about was from around 7 o'clock onward, what I would like to do. And I know some of you might think this is kind of a bit more, kind of like a girly thing or like something that not a lot of people do, but I think you should start doing, is journaling. This is one of my journals. I have another one, but this is the one I'm journaling in right now. And something that I feel like it's helped me is really just tracking my progress. And journaling really helps me kind of maintain a clear mind because I'm writing down my thoughts and what I'm sort of thinking of. It's good for you. Like you can track progress, and so that's something. Yeah, that's something I would like to do every night, along with reading at least one chapter, if not maybe 2 or 3 chapters of a book. And right now I'm currently reading 48 Laws of Power, so I'm going to be kind of writing a script for that too, hoping maybe 1 or 2 more videos before that one. But that is something that I would like to do. Starting at around 8 to 9:45 is reading, writing, and journaling. Those are 3 things that I think can really help me. By the way, I've made a free Notion template for you. It's got all 7 days of the week, so you can organize your messy schedule. I'll leave it linked below, and it's in my bio. Make sure you go check it out. So that's at night. So then in the morning, I put an alarm for 6 o'clock. I have to get straight out of bed. As soon as I hear the alarm or regain consciousness, check the time. If it's 5 to 6, get up, and then as soon as I'm up and out of bed, 20 push-ups. I drop to the ground in my room. There's like just barely enough room to do push-ups, but hey, it works. So 20 push-ups. This is so that I can start my day off with a win, and 20 push-ups is a good way to start the day off. Now, after that, I move outside, so I actually go out my back door so I don't wake my parents or brother or sister up. Go outside and I meditate. Now, this is usually only a couple minutes. I'm doing in between 5 and 10 minutes, but this is to clear my mind. And meditation isn't just about clearing your mind, and it's not about not thinking. It's about noticing your thoughts as they come to you and just noticing them. You're not trying to fight any of the bad thoughts. We all have those. You're kind of just experiencing them and noting them and then sending them away, and then it's kind of like an endless cycle of experiencing thoughts, send them away, experience more thoughts, send them away. And then, so once my meditation is done, I usually either do writing or reading. And this is probably around 6:05, 6:15 maybe. So you read for a bit, or I do writing, usually writing my script. And then after that, we have breakfast. And for breakfast right now I'm having 3 eggs a day and plus a glass of milk. That's usually my breakfast, and it's good to get some protein in. And then around the breakfast time, I kind of just sit alone in my room and I kind of brainstorm a bit, and that's something that I need to actually do more of. I haven't been doing a lot of brainstorming lately because I've been too active on my phone, I think, especially Instagram. But brainstorming is definitely something that can help you with your creation process, and it's something that we all could do, whether it's just brainstorming about a product, a script, we're just getting ideas. Like, it's all anything, could be anything. And then what I do next is I make some form of content. Now, I have an Instagram where I post. Right now I'm posting short videos of the 48 Laws of Power. So I'm doing like a chapter in 60 seconds or less. In that time period, make some form of content. I usually edit the content and post the content, which I've recorded in previous days. And content could be a video, could be product, just something that you're outputting. Could be a paragraph, could be, yeah, like if you're even making a blog, that's content too. So just make some more content. Then after that, I have edit content and post content, which I kind of already said. But after that, usually I have lunch, and for lunch I usually just make a protein shake or a wrap. That's kind of my my lunch. And then after that, I have free time. So this could be reading, writing, working out, journaling, anything. Then after that, I have a workout. This is kind of push-ups, pull-ups, stuff with dumbbells because I don't really have much equipment at home. But yeah, so there's that, and after that I have dinner. And dinner, it's kind of just leftovers or whatever mom makes, but sometimes I make dinner too. But yeah, so it's kind of my routine, and yeah, that is my morning workout. And go check out my Notion template. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you want more content like this popping up. And yeah, I will see you in the next video.